Do you want to be able to activate your Bank of America credit card? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for you to either go on your mobile, or you can also do this on your computer, just so you know. So you're going to go on your computer or on your mobile and then go into Google. Then you're just going to write like this: Bank of America credit card activation. So just write like this, or you can even search for Bank of America activate credit card. Then you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to locate the first option in here where it says activating your credit card from Bank of America. So you can see, so just click on this option right here. So I'm just going to click, and perfectly, as you can see, activating your credit card online is quick, easy, and secure. We'll confirm your identity, verify your card, and get it on your way, as you can see. And this is the two options you have. Either you're going to have to do this through an online ID. If you already have an account, then you can just click on the first option in here, simply sign in with your online ID and passcode to speed up the activation process. But if if you don't have an online ID, you're new to online and mobile banking on Bank of America, then you need to click on the second option where it says enroll now, activate your card, and manage your accounts online on the go, as you can see. So either if you have an online ID, just choose the first option, or if you don't, then choose the second option and then proceed. After that, you will be able to activate your credit card.